If you are a day trader and looking to get 20 to 30 pips every day, right, and this channel is for you. We will be dedicated in providing you tutorials that will lead you to that age of getting 20 to 30 pips every day, because that is all you need for day trading. And if you're looking for swing opportunities, we will be providing tutorials also to guide you through that age of getting swing positions. That is for people who will not be able to be on the charts every day to look for trade opportunities. Swing opportunities tutorials will also be available to guide you through that process. So all you have to do is just subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you don't get to miss any upcoming tutorials, right? And if you haven't shared this channel, kindly share to your friends. In today's tutorial, we're looking at Euro USD for a potential high of the day sell opportunity. Price has come to the previous day's highs, and this is what we're anticipating to get. So let's jump into the charts and see what we have. So this is the pattern that we have to give us a potential high of the day. So the London opened and gave us the first leg. The New York market opened, and we're anticipating them to come and lock these highs, and then we can get a high of the day for a potential sell coming off this high this particular day this morning, right? So as long as price comes back to these highs on the line that I've drawn on the blue line, and price holds, we'll be able to do market execution and even enter our sell stop orders in place, and we see what the dealers are going to do. So these are my parameters that I have, but at the moment we do not have our entry candlestick patterns, and price has not come back to the zones that I'm anticipating them. The highlight zone that I'm putting up there, that is where I'm looking for price to come to that level. Once price gets to that level, and then I'll be waiting patiently to see how price will be behaving at that level, and if the dealers provide us with an opportunity, we'll be able to engage it for a sell opportunity. And so this trade idea is going to be shared to the community. Students will be able to react to it as well when the market gives us the opportunity. So as we can see, price is coming back to that level of ours, and all now we have to do is set our sell stops in place, right? And if the dealers decide to come back down bearish, they will be activated and we will be in the market. And at the same time, if they provide us with an opportunity to do market execution, we will do the same. So this is what the dealers are doing this morning. Let's wait patiently and see how they're playing the board. This is a type 1 setup for a sell opportunity on Euro USD. So at this price level, we're gonna set our sell stops. We're starting to think where we're putting our sell stops, where our stop loss is gonna be, and where our take profit is gonna be for this particular month. So when you see price getting back to your levels that you're waiting and anticipating, and when it gets there, that is when now you get back to your checklist. You want to confirm, have you seen everything that you're supposed to see as we discussed in class, right? So once as a checklist is done, you get prepared to do the market execution, put your pending orders in place like how I'm gonna do, right? And then we just wait for the dealers to see what they're gonna do, right? So these are my pending orders because we're anticipating price to shift back to bearish, right? That's gonna be my first entry for my pending order and my next entry for my pending order. So having done that, right, I know how much I can risk. Let's wait and see if the market's gonna do what we're anticipating, right? I'm risking 20 pips, and let's wait to see what's gonna happen, right? So here we are. Market flipped bearish. Orders were activated in the market. We are in these trades looking for just 50 pips, and we call it a successful day trading, right? So if you have any questions or any concerns that you would like to ask, feel free to comment on the comment section below. I'll be able to respond as good as I can to help you see your trading go in a different level, right? So this is what I do with the community. We get live in the market, look for the trade opportunities, and when they happen, we do the market execution, or we put our pending orders like how we did. This idea was shared with the team. Everyone, we are on the same level. We are seeing the same thing, right? And here we are. So we just have to hold on patiently and see what Euro USD is going to do. Once it gets to our TP, remember, it's always very important for you to have your stop loss in place and your take profit in place for day trading, right? So once they take out our TP, we will be done trading, and we'll come back again the following day, look for similar price behavior, and if the dealers do provide us with it, we will take the opportunity. So use these tutorials to make your 2023 a better trading experience, and I'm gonna do the best to provide the best that I can to help many other people who are looking for opportunities like this one, right? So here we are, right? And it's a successful trading day. So what do you need? You need a system that is going to provide you 50 pips a day, right? And this is the system that I'm providing you for free. So all that I'm going to ask you is kindly just subscribe, like the video, comment, and share it with your family and friends who you know will want to get to learn something about trading, right? We're looking forward for a great 2023, and the impact has already just started. Don't be left behind. If you're watching and you haven't subscribed, subscribe, right? There's a lot of things that are in store for you guys. It's gonna come in 2023. Thank you very much for watching, and I appreciate you for taking your time to be my #1 subscribers. All right, I appreciate you all. Be safe, enjoy your holidays, and see you in the next video.